Alright everyone, welcome to today's video, today's vlog. I know you guys have not seen a video from me in a hot minute, but we are bringing you guys along the day, along the journey. So before we get into it guys, let me explain what's been going on with your boy. Your boy's been traveling. Your boy is getting married in 2 weeks guys. This is what it looks like when you're busy and you've been planning for a wedding. And not only that, the wedding is out of town guys. As you guys can see, it's just crazy in here. This is all stuff we gotta ship because for us, we are having our wedding in Miami guys. So it's just been hectic. So bear with me. After the wedding guys, I am going to be vlogging a lot because then we're rolling straight into competition prep. So I just got back from the gym, smashed about 30 minutes of just low intensity, steady state cardio guys. Now I'm about to change, eat. I have a couple errands to do. Got to get a new cell phone today, and then we're going back to the gym. We're gonna train. What are we gonna train today, guys? Maybe some legs. Yeah, we're gonna train legs today. Bring you guys along. We're gonna do that, and then I'm gonna show you guys some of the food that I'll be eating today as well. And I'm just gonna keep the camera rolling, honestly. So that being said, I'm gonna change. We're gonna go ahead and have meal number 1, aka breakfast, and then we're gonna head out for the day. So we're gonna go ahead and check morning weight. I have been cleaning up my diet. I have been doing a lot more cardio. Last time we did a weight check, guys, I believe I was 187. So we're gonna check it this morning, see where we're standing at. And we are actually looking pretty good, guys. So this morning, I'm actually at 185.6, which is a new low for me. I've been working on this slow cut, guys, and it's actually working. So we're gonna kick the day off with 1 cup of jasmine rice, 8 egg whites from the shell, and then we got some salsa on the eggs as well. And if you guys are interested in what salsa I'm using, definitely try it out guys on your eggs. It tastes amazing. We're also gonna have a large cup of water because it's very important to get your water in with every meal. And as you guys can see, I went ahead and start prepping my meals for tomorrow. So while my eggs was cooking, I try to make the best out of the time that I have and just get other stuff done. So we got the meals prepped in the back, or getting them prepped for tomorrow. Just finished getting my new phone, and we're heading to the house right now to have meal number 2, aka our pre-workout meal, right before we go to the gym and train legs today. But I definitely needed to get that phone, guys. I had the 7 for about almost 3 years, and if you guys don't know, I'm one of those people, I don't have to get the latest, greatest phone. So normally when I get an iPhone, I'm gonna hold on to it for about 2 or 3 years. So it'll be another definitely 2 years, maybe 3 years before I get a new phone. So I definitely wanted to upgrade the phone because my wedding is next week, actually 10 days away, and I wanted to have a really good quality cell phone, being that it's easy to pull out the pocket and take pictures with, all right? I feel like the quality of the 7 was just past its era, guys, and I wanted to upgrade. So that was the reason why we got a new phone. Other than that, I probably wouldn't have got a new phone. So we're gonna go ahead and head to the house, and then we're gonna have meal 2, pre-workout meal, and I'm gonna show you guys what that meal consists of, all right? Pre-workout meal, we have 5.5 ounces of grilled chicken thighs with 1 cup of jasmine rice. We're gonna eat this, and in about 30 minutes, we're gonna head to the gym and train, all right? What's going on, everyone? Thank you for watching the video. If you've been watching the video so far and you like the content, hit that like button for me. This part of the video, I just want to do something different, y'all. I just want to talk to you guys, connect with you guys, let you know what's been going on with me, let you know why the video's been slow. But before we dive straight into that, this exercise right here, I want you guys to know this is an exercise that's very important to do. I know a lot of males don't like to do it because they feel like it's a female exercise, and I understand it's uncomfortable. Just don't look your buddy in the face. But nah, real talk, guys. when you're training and developing a physique, it's important to train all around it. You know, you want to build a well-balanced physique, and that's my mission, that's my goal. So I do exercises that's going to help target muscles that I don't hit all the time, and this is a great machine to use, so don't be scared to use this, guys. All right, so basically this leg workout was focusing around 4 sets, 12 to about 20 reps. On the compound movements, like the stiff leg deadlifts, was about 12 to 15 reps, you know, medium to medium heavy weight, nothing crazy. Everything else was like medium weight, focusing on like 15-20 reps. So that was a rep range for each exercise. That way you guys can like write that down as we go through each exercise, or as the clip is rolling through each exercise. So I just want to talk to you guys, let you guys know that I know the videos have been slow these past few months, or actually the past year, honestly, guys. I've been planning for my wedding with my fiance, and these past few months have been crazy, like super crazy. I never knew, I was never expecting a wedding process like this to be crazy. And at the end of the day, I know that the experience is going to be amazing, but man, it is just a lot that goes into it. And you know, I'm thankful, I'm blessed, and it's a good experience, and it's been a lot of stress. I'm gonna be 100% honest. It's been a lot of stress, but we're almost there. We're almost to the big day, and that's been the priority. You know, I haven't been putting out a lot of videos because I've just been focusing on that, and on top of that, trying to focus on my training and diet as well, because throughout planning this wedding, you know, it can be very hard to stay on diet and training. So my priority has been diet, training, wedding, work, and that whole cycle repeat. So whatever time I had, I was making sure that was for my diet and my training, and if I didn't have time to record, I just didn't have time to record. And I actually been making some pretty good improvements, dropped a little bit of weight, getting ripped, put on a little bit of muscle in different areas. I can see I've been, you know, sending in progress pics, because right after the wedding I'm gonna go straight into competition prep. So I actually spent the last few months cleaning up my diet just to look, you know, somewhat decent for my wedding, and then after the wedding, and just dive straight into prep, so I don't have to do a lot of work. But that's been the priority. There's times I've been wanting to vlog and record, guys, but just had so much to do. And then there's times I actually start recording video clips, and I just didn't have enough footage for that day, and I just ended up deleting it because I didn't want to just put out, you know, just anything. But if you guys want me just to keep putting out footage, let me know, comment down below, you know, and I'll do that. I just don't want to shortchange you guys in the videos and just putting out videos just to be putting them out. I want to put out quality videos that's going to give information to you guys, or share information for you guys. So yeah, that's basically it, guys. After the wedding though, I do have, you know, some stuff that came up, you know, career wise, and that's going to be the next focus. So it's going to be crazy the next few months after the wedding, and you know, I can't really talk about the details right now, but you guys I will be vlogging a lot and showing you guys videos, so you'll definitely know what's going on with me. Other than that, y'all, I've just been doing that, man. I appreciate the love and support you guys been showing me. Right here, this exercise right here is a really good exercise if you want to substitute doing like box step ups with like dumbbells or a barbell. Actually, on my training outline, I was supposed to do like box step ups with dumbbells, but I love using this machine because I feel like I get more time under tension with the cables. So yeah, I've decided to do these. Just so you guys know, I do have a new diet and training plan that I'm following right now. It's basically to help me stay toned, put on a little muscle. So I've been doing this for about 6 weeks, and it's probably going to change after the wedding once I get into competition prep. And then after my workouts, I go straight into post-workout cardio. So I actually noticed that I'm getting lean, but I also noticed that, you know, I'm gaining a little bit of muscle in different areas of my body, which is pretty good. So I actually like this routine because for me, I'm very active, and I feel like I like to keep up on my cardio. I feel like it keeps me in shape, and actually I've been doing like some firefighter style cardio as well. Sorry for the tongue twister. So that's basically what's been going on, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I appreciate the love and support, and thank you so much.